Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to start taking a look at the deployment process. Well, and the first thing that you would need to do is find out how you're going to transfer some variables to your remote machine. I mean, how are you going to transfer the build tag? How are you going to transfer the password for the registry? If you are using AWS, AWS already has services to do that. If you are using Google Cloud Platform, then probably Google Cloud Platform already knows how to handle that. But as we're doing a super simple example in here, we will be transferring the data using SSH. And for your real applications, you will find a way how to do it using AWS or using Google Cloud Platform. I'm just going to give you the hint so that you can know how to do that on your real world. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to our Jenkins data. Let's go to pipeline. And in here, we're going to go to Jenkins folder. Let's create a new folder that's going to be deploy folder. And we will be using it later. So for now, let's take a look at how we can transfer the variables. So the first thing that we need is the name of the image that is being generated, right? So the image is Maven project. Remember that we're generating the image with that name. So that's going to be the first thing that we need to transfer. So let's create a sample. Let's go to the deployment folder and let's go ahead and create a sample deploy file like deploy.sh. Let's hit enter. And in here we're going to say, okay, bin bash, of course, say bin bash. And in here, we're going to say, okay, echo Maven project. Remember, that's the image that we're generating. And we're going to transfer, or we're going to redirect this to /temp/auth. This is just a simple file that we're going to be creating to transfer later to the machine. So if we execute this script, let's execute it, deploy, and you go to cat temp.out, you're going to find a file that contains the name of your application. Cool. So second thing is that we need to pass the build tag, right? The build tag that Jenkins is going to generate in every single execution. So that's going to be echo build tag, and we're going to pass it to /temp/out as well. And we're just going to export the build tag variables so that is available and we can test it. Build tag equals to 12 probably. Let's execute this again. And let's take a look at the file that it's generated. Cool, now we have